Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to consider grouping and aggregating data in Microsoft Power BI. So within the transform tab, you'll find the group by option. The group by option allows you to aggregate or roll up your data at different levels of granularity. Now, common examples include transforming daily transactions into weekly or monthly reports. Or you can even roll up this transaction level data either by their stores, by the product brand, by their regions, as the case may be. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to group this table into summary of other quantities that are rolled up or based on unique product keys. Now, when you come to the product key column, you find different product keys, and these product keys are associated with the other quantity. So what this means is that particular product has the key 529 and it was ordered 2 times. So what that means is if you come to this table, this particular product with this key was ordered multiple times in multiple days and by multiple customers. So we come to the product key once again and we try to sort it in ascending order. So you can see product key 214 many times and it was bought by many customers. Okay, and these customers actually had different quantities of product key 214. So what I want to show you in this video is how to group this product key, okay, based on the order quantity. So the first thing I want to do is to click on the group by option, and when I click on it, you have this dialog box in front of you. Now I'm going to take the basic group by and then we'll come to the advanced. So I'm grouping this data, the entire table, by the product key, and then I want to give it a new column name called total quantity, and then the statistical operation to be carried out on this group by or on this aggregation is the sum. I'm telling Power BI to get me the sum of the other quantities based on the product key and give me the answer. So I'll click on OK. So when I click on it, can you see this? The entire table has been transformed into 2 columns. Now, if I also sort as in ascending order, you can see that the sum of quantities associated with this particular product is 1218. So for each unique product key, you can find the total quantity of orders. So of course we can cancel this and return to the original data set. Now the next thing I want to do is to use the advanced option to specify to group by the product key and the customer key. So I'll come once again to the group by, I'll click on it, and then I'll click on the advanced option. Now I will specify the first column, the product key, and based on this product key I want to associate it with the customer key, and then the column name will also be total quantity, and then I need the sum of the other values, which is the other quantity. So there are 3 columns that are involved here: product key, customer key, and the other quantity. So Power BI will sum up these other quantities based on first the customer key and then later the product key. So I'll click on OK. So you can see, so this is the total quantity of products based on first the customer key and then later the product key. Now if you see these first 3 rows, you can see that this customer with the ID 23791 actually bought a product with the key 529 twice. So the total quantity of products associated with the key 529 that was brought by this customer is 2. And then also the total quantity of the product 214 by this same customer is 1. Also again, the total quantity of product by this product key 540 that was brought by the customer is also 1. So this is how you can be able to aggregate data or group by data based on associated columns within the data set. So I'm going to cancel this and return the data back to its original state. So of course, the group by or aggregation of data allows you to analyze your data, to transform your data so that it will give you insights concerning what the data is all about. And since I will not really be making use of it, so instead of me to use the close and apply, I will simply cancel it from here. Okay, so this is how you can be able to group by and aggregate data in Power BI. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.